Good evening, my dear ladies and gentlemen. Now it's time for our geography lesson. In Iceland, there are two places named Selfoss. One is a town in southwest, about 70-80 kilometers east of Reykjavik, and the other is waterfall about 500 meters upstream from Dettifoss. So, if you are in the south looking for a waterfall named Selfoss, then there is a 500 kilometers ahead of you. And vice versa, if you have an accommodation booked in Selfoss and you are here, then I'm afraid you are a little bit in trouble, at least for tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you Selfoss, the waterfall.